In today's episode, we are making some one pot rice and potatoes, and with me here I have my ingredients. From this corner, I have my onions, I have some tomatoes. If at all you want more color on your rice, add more tomatoes. This is just one tomato. I have some cooking oil. For the seasoning, you'll need a seasoning cube and some salt. Then I have my rice, I have my potatoes, and as you can notice, I've chopped them into quite a smaller size so that they can get ready faster because we're going to add the rice and the potatoes at once. But if at all you want larger potatoes, you can add them before you add the rice. Then finally, I have some capsicum and the coriander stems. This will go later, and these are the coriander leaves. And without further ado, let's get started.